Nagtilingop, good sila. Hi there! This is it! Sobrang aga nating natulog kagabi, and of course, time check muna tayo, it's 4:46 na. Sobrang agang gumising natin today kasi nga, this is our day for Zoom Valentine's. Puntahan natin ang ating pasopas today together with Mama Joms dito sa ating Yulus Village, and let's see kung ano nang nagaganap ngayon dito sa Joms Cafe. And there, as what you can see, sobrang dilim pa ng paligid natin kasi nga medyo maaga pa. And as what you can see also, andito ng ating pasopas. Ready na para lutuin for today's event together with our very own Mama Joms. Diba? Maraming salamat again, Mama Joms, for this collaboration. And of course, sobrang agang nag-prepare ni Mama Joms para sa ating mga Zumba dancers. And of course, sa lahat ng ating mga taga Boulevardians, kitang-kita naman guys, sobrang creamy and sobrang yummy. Ayan, prepare na ni Mama Joms ang ating pasopas today. And disclaimer lamang ha, itong mga pagkain na ito is for all, and of course yung iba, yung mga sandwich ready na kagabi pa. Grabe naman itong si Mama Joms, sobrang effort, sobrang supportive talaga para sa ating mga dancers, and of course para sa ating pa-feeding program mamaya after the Zoom Valentine's. Now, time check, it's 5:15 AM na, and kakatapos na nating maligo. Then after which, nakita ko na itong si host Wiwi. Kasama natin siya for our Valentine's Zumba program doon sa Boulevard. Of course, nagchikahan muna kami, nag-coffee, and then somehow nag-breakfast na rin para energize tayo for today. Then after that, nag-settle na kami ng ating mga gagawin or aming gagawin for the whole event. Then after which, si host Wiwi yung mag-entertain sa kanila kasi nga para may energize din ako or may energy din ako mamayang gabi for our next event. And of course, papunta na tayo sa Boulevard. Here are the ganaps for our Zoom Valentine's today for 2024.
A few moments later.
In cooperation of our Barangay 14 officials together with our sponsors and donors, Joart Season and Don Blue Events presents Zoom Valentine's 2024, second year na! This Zoom Valentine's 2024 is led by our two Zumba instructors, Zine Arlene and Zine Arian. Thank you so much! And of course, our Zumba dancers, our Zumba from Team Wara Sexiest, with a special participation of Team Gaon together with our Team Corbada, Team Elite, and Team Power Moms. Thank you so much! Grabe! And with that again guys, maraming salamat. This is just our second year, and syempre parami na tayo ng parami for our next event. Again, from the bottom of my heart and from Don Blue Events, maraming salamat po. And as promised, together with Jeanette and Cheryl, namigay tayo ng ating pa-feeding for today. Of course, maraming salamat sa ating mga kagawads for joining and sharing your blessings to all our kabarangay dito sa Barangay 14 sa Purok Boulevard. Kaya naman, kumain na tayo, mag-enjoy, and syempre, maki-Valentine's na rin dito sa Purok Boulevard, Barangay 14, Bacolod City. Sa muli, maraming salamat LS Bacolod, Estetica Beauty Salon, Meniel's Perfume Collection, Jen's Beauty Salon, at sa lahat ng ating mga private individuals, also our barangay officials. This has been your host, Don Blue Events. It's Zoom Valentine's 2024. And I think that will be all. Bye!